Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well. And in today's video, I am going to share about a makeup product that is an eyebrow product. So without any further delay, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. You could see a lot of reviews, makeup tutorials, and much more. So stay tuned and click that bell button so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. The product is from Nykaa and this is Oh My Brow Eyebrow Mascara, and this is in the shade Serious Black, in the shade 01. I don't know if they do have any other shades. I didn't find anything, but this is a nice dark brown shade which actually grooms your brows and it just looks so realistic. I loved how it looked, and you can actually make out the difference of my brow is like groomed so well today because they have a very sleek brush. So this is about the outer packaging. Let me finish it off. They do have an ingredient list given on the outer packaging here, and this has a shelf life of 2 years, and it's paraben free. It is no animal testing. It's a cruelty free brand, and is dermatologically tested. So this is what I expect to be. I love vegan products. I love products which is paraben free and which is cruelty free too. So I personally feel that this kind of products have to be endorsed and reviewed, and so that people get to use them in a quick in today's life. Everyone loves makeup, everyone wants a very groomed eyebrows, so these kind of products are a real boon to people like that. So I am a very lazy person who really don't like spending much time on actually doing my makeup. I love having a very nice eye look. At the same time, my brows have to be tamed, bright and highly defined, but at the same time I don't want to spend a lot of time on it. So when it comes to these kind of product, I love them. This is a very super duper product, I would say, but only in 2021 I got to try this product because I personally feel when I saw Benefit brow products exclusively on Nykaa, when they are actually retailing for ₹2,000, I didn't really understand what is the need for a brow product to be for ₹2,000. Even today when I got this product for like $479, I think it's a bit on the expensive side, but when compared to the strain and time consuming, when I want to create more and more number of looks, and in a day I had to shoot a lot of videos, and then I cannot keep doing brows for an hour, so it's really time consuming. So I have to do a research wherein I find a product which is affordable, at the same time which is efficient in what I want, and at the same time it is from a good brand which does not create any other rashes or any other skin allergies. So we have to be keen in purchasing products and choosing products for the right kind, and it comes after a research. And usually when it comes to my review on makeup products or skincare, I don't generally prefer reviewing a product as soon as I buy it, because I need to know what exactly it does on me or how it reacted on me, how I felt really haze using that products. Only then it comes to the review part of I have actually bought a lot of products which actually most of the time didn't really work the way I expected, so that doesn't really come on my review. So if the product is on the review, then surely I would recommend you to buy the product. And they do have a climb. This is the Go On Mascara, allows you to tame and fill your brows with no efforts at all, and thanks to the super soft fibers, the tinted gel formula hugs your eyebrows and makes them appear fuller, natural with every stroke. I actually experienced this in live, so climb is 100% sure and 100% truthful. So if you are someone who are in a very hurry, who loves to groom their brows to a perfect definition, then Nykaa's Oh My Brow Mascara, eyebrow mascara, is a must product in your vanity. So let me go to the packaging. This is the inner packaging. It just looks like the mascara packaging, but it's quite a small bottle, and I think this has 4.2 ml of product, and it retailed for as I told $479, and it's available in Nykaa. And this cosmetic is actually manufactured from Germany, And that's it. This is Serious Black 01. And let me show you how the bristles and the inner, this is how the pot looks like, and this is how the bristles are very tiny, very very thin, so that it actually can lift your brows, and it fills the brow, and it just gives that such a natural definition to your face. I literally love this. I want to see the shade. I will just swatch this here, and maybe you can have a look at this. So this is a very nice brown tint, and it's kind of, it doesn't get worn off actually. I have seen many eyebrow gel before I have used, it gets worn off after some time, but this one actually stayed for the whole day. I was astonished with the performance. So there is no makeup look, there's going to be no makeup look for me here afterwards without this Nykaa Oh My Brows eyebrow mascara or eyebrow tint. I love this, and I'm extremely in love with this product. I would surely recommend, if you can surely afford this product, and I think this is a must buy, and I really love the product. That's it about the Nykaa's eyebrow mascara, which is actually super duper product for the go on look for your everyday basis. Suppose if you are using this on an everyday basis, surely I think it would come for a month or two. And it has a 4.2 ml of product and retails for $479, and it's exclusively available in Nykaa website, and the shade number is Serious Brown, and this is a very nice brown, and it is highly pigmented tint, and it doesn't give that very patched up dark look, but it gives such a subtle, and it just fills your brows, and it is long lasting. It doesn't get worn off after some time, or your eyebrows doesn't move off or slide off. This just makes them sit on the place, and I think it's extremely super duper good. Must try out product if you want to groom your eyebrows to a well defined look, and I think this is a must buy product. So that's it about the product quality and the product's performance. I'm in sure love with this product. I surely recommend you to buy, and I would surely keep topping up after it once when it finishes. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope the review on this Oh My Brows Nykaa Oh My Brows eyebrow mascara must have been useful. If you surely have tried it out, let me know in comment section how you felt about this product. Until next time, Azura signing up. Bye.